There it is, finally in person. I get to see it. God, I love it. So it's the platinum because it has the platinum wheels. God, that is just awesome. So I guess they're using these to move people between the hotel here and the event. God, and I just love this light bar. Just so perfect. The active dampers are open right there. I mean, it is Texas, so it's probably warm. So sweet. So no bed liner in this one. This is how mine is gonna come. Mine's a different color, but I'm gonna get a spray and Line-X bed liner. Man, I just love this blue. What do you think, Justin? I love that accent blue. I'm planning on getting my brake calipers painted the same blue to match it.
If you go down the edge of the bed, you can see it's raised.
Oh yeah, yep. Manufacturer from Michigan. More blue there. Awesome. I absolutely can't wait to start driving these things. Technically, I guess our event, our schedule doesn't start until tomorrow. So we're just going to walk around and hang out, have a few beers for Cinco de Mayo, and just have some fun. And then tomorrow, I guess the content's really going to get into full swing.